that can take your spotlight. If I wrote you a symphony, just to say how much you mean to me, what would you do?
What's up, my babies? It's your girl MalijahSerenity, and I am back with another video. So yeah, honey, this is me having to put my hair back to get it out my face. These are my lashes before. I'm just giving y'all a quick before on how I look with my lashes. This is the adhesive and the lashes that I am wearing. I got the adhesive and the y'all, please don't pour as much as I did. Please don't, because it'll dry up quick. I don't know why, but just don't pour as much as I did. But those y'all, it was so hard for me at first to get the concept of it. So I ended up, that's why I'm not showing it right now. I ended up going off camera, finishing one eye and then coming back on so I can show y'all and really explain to y'all, because your girl was having a hard ass time. Well, it really wasn't that hard. It took me probably like 6 tries, and then after that it was like super easy. I promise y'all, it only took me 30 minutes. Yeah, that's me when I was feeling it in. I was getting the concept, honey. I was happy. Like, yeah, period. But yeah, the concept is actually really easy. It only took me like 30 minutes to do both eyes. It didn't take me long, and this is my first time doing it. Here you just see me, I'm taking it, I'm showing you, and I'm going to dip it in the adhesive. This adhesive does not burn your eyes. Please do not go out and get well, I don't know adhesive, I think it's adhesive. Please don't go out and get the same glue that the Lash techs use on our eyes, because that is going to burn the heck out of your eyes. So please don't go out and get that one. I got this one from the lashes and the glue. I got them both from my the hair store that's near me. So you can go to your hair store. They sell both of these products in all hair stores. I always see them. I just never use them because I've never done them. But yeah, I promise you they were super easy. As you see, I'm just taking them and I'm literally placing it up under my lash, and I'm kind of letting it stick to my skin. That's what helped it better, because when I was just trying to stick it to my lash, it kept falling. As y'all see, you'll see me drop it a couple times, and I left it in slow motion. Well, not slow motion, I left it in the regular speed so that you can see what I'm doing and like see the mistakes that I'm making, so you can just see. You see how that one is not really sticking, because I tried to stick it to my actual lash, it wasn't working. So when I stuck it kind of like to my skin, that's when it started to stick. So I promise y'all, like, once I got this concept, it was so easy for me. I finished it in literally I ain't gonna say less than 30 minutes, probably like 30 to 40 minutes. So this process did not take long. These lashes aren't as fluffy as I would normally get, but I actually love them. Like, these lashes are giving me when I used to go to the nail shop and get my lashes done. But I love it. Like, they're so cute and they're simple. I feel like it gave me like a cat eye or something. I don't know, but I love how these look on my face. I always thought just the fluffy ones look good on me. You know, these were super cute.
Baby, you don't know what you do to me. Between me and you, I feel like chemistry. I won't let no one come and take your place, 'cause the love you give, it can't be replaced. So no one else can do like you do. That's why I'm spend my life with you. I wanna please you in any way I can. I wanna share my world, don't you understand? Your love is a one in a million. It goes on and on and on.
Also, trying to place it on top of the lash is not going to work. I thought that would have worked better, but it wasn't working. So the best way to do it is to put it up under.
You give me a really good feeling all day long. Turn me inside out, make my heart beat. Need no one else, you're all I need. Personality, everything you do, it's me love, everything about you. Your smile, your style, so fly. I can't deny, I got a crush on you, that's truly. I'm digging you, you make me believe. Love is one in a million. It goes on and on. You give me a really good feeling. Oh yeah, your love is one in a million. It goes on and on. You give me a really good feeling all day long.
No woman that can take your spotlight.
This side was a little harder for me to try to do it, record, making sure y'all can see. I don't know, this side was just a little bit harder, so y'all see me switching the angles a little bit, and you will see me having to like kind of pull my eyelid up if I can't reach a certain area, so y'all can do that as well if y'all need to.
But I ain't seen myself another girl like you. This ring here represents my heart, but there's just one thing I need from you. Say I do. Because I can see us holding hands, walking on the beach, our toes in the sand. I can see us on the countryside, sitting on the grassland side by side. You could be my baby, let me make you my lady. Girl, you amaze me, ain't gotta do nothing crazy. See, all I want you to do is be my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away. And another woman that can take your spot, my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away. And another woman that can take your spot, my love. Now if I wrote you a love note and made you smile.
As the glue continues to sit, it dries up, so that's why I said don't pour so much at one time, because it'll continue to dry up, and then if all your product dried up, then you won't have no more. So yeah, just do like a little bit at a time and you should be good. Once it dry up, you can just dye some more on, you know, whatever you're using.
Just say I do, because I can see us holding hands, walking on the beach, our toes in the sand. I can see us on the countryside, sitting on the grassland side by side. You can be my baby, let me make you my lady. Girl, you amaze me, ain't gotta do nothing.
Y'all, please be careful. Please move slow, because my ass trying to move fast. Done dotted myself in the eye twice with that glue. Now, if you get it in your eye, it's gonna burn. But it don't burn as in when you doing it. It don't burn. You know, like how when you're getting your lashes done, you open your goddamn eyes, baby, your eyes burning. But with this, no, you can do your lashes at the same time. And this little motherfucker hits, baby. I had to wipe my eyes after I was about crying. So please be careful, y'all.
I can see us holding hands, walking on the beach, our toes in the sand. I can see us on the countryside, sitting on the grassland side by side. You could be my baby, let me make you my lady. Girl, you amaze me, ain't gotta do nothing crazy. See, all I want you to do is be my love. My love. My love. And another woman that can take your spot, my love. My love. My love. And another woman that can take your spot, my love.
Baby, you don't know what you do to me. Between me chemistry. I won't let no one come and take your place. Cause the love you give, it can't be replaced. So no one else will do like you do. That's why I spend my life with you. I wanna please you in any way I can. I wanna share my world, don't you understand? Your love is a one in a million.
Another thing that I forgot to say earlier in the video, when you're placing it on your lashes, like you want to place it where your actual lash is. But when y'all looking at it, y'all understand what I'm saying.
Turn me inside out, make my heart beat. Need no one else, you're all I need. Personality, everything you do makes me love everything about you. Your smile, your style, so fly. I can't deny, I got a crush on you. That's truly, I'm digging you. You make me believe your love is one in a million. It goes on and on. You give me a really good feeling. Oh yeah, your love is one in a million. It goes on and on. You give me a really good feeling.
Okay, y'all, so this is pretty much getting towards the end of the video. I really hope that y'all enjoyed it and got what y'all need, and I hope that y'all go home and actually try this. Make sure that y'all follow me on all social media platforms, and that you like, comment, and subscribe, and send this video to somebody that can use it. And I will talk to y'all next time. Bye bye.